This is an Angular app running on port 4200. This has services like EC2, but instead of launching a server instance, it basically runs Docker containers behind the scene. So as you can see, if I run Docker images, I have a Fedora image which exactly shows in this UI. I can click on the launch button to launch a CLI where I can run basically next commands like lslart. This is the output for that. Echo. Basically any Linux command that is non-blocking. So we should not expect any user input. Those should be able to run. It keeps history of all the CD commands. So basically, when we are doing all the CDs, so that next time when a ls is called, it knows the context which CD it was. Now here you have a launch container button where it allows you to choose between Fedora, Debian or Linux, or Ubuntu, and I just clicked one of those, and there will be an alert, success, showing success. So Ubuntu latest, this was downloaded, and now it will showing in the UI. So this one. So here we have a launch button, a close button. This is again the CLI for this Ubuntu one. We can run some test commands. This is how to run multiple commands together. So we can provide semicolon and two commands, or more than more than one command can be run together. Anyways, CD, the context of CD is being kept. So even if we are doing CD, then next ls as a two separate commands, it will know which directory we are currently into. So this is again launch container. I press the third one, which is Debian. Now Debian will be, when Debian image will be downloaded, shows in the UI. So this is a close button functionality. Deleted that image. So Ubuntu is gone. So Debian is gone. Now we have two enabled. Ubuntu and Debian can be reinstalled now. Ubuntu is done. If I run this Docker images now, you can see the same thing what we saw in the UI. So Ubuntu and Fedora. One thing to run this, we have to make sure that we can run Docker commands without the sudo, because that's a Node.js application that runs in the backend. I just ran one Docker containers. Now in the processes, you can see an Ubuntu container was run. sh command was being run interactively. So if I exit it, there will be no processes running. Not again. and I'm running these inside WSL Linux. So the Docker is installed within WSL Linux, so that's why it says WSL2 when running uname A. Path is not being run in Debian 1. I had tried earlier in the Ubuntu, it was working there. So other commands like lslat, these are working. So I just completed these code. I will just commit them. Okay. So this is the Git repo. If I refresh it, you can see the latest changes. This is the backend folder where I have the Node.js application that runs in the backend to run the Docker commands. You can see there are endpoints like remove Docker images, create Docker image, get Docker image, run on Linux. Those are being called by the Angular app. This is the root directory in the parent directory of this repo. So these are the components in the Angular app: dashboard, EC2, search result, terminal,